Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your Lowe's Memorial Day sale. So, let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we got some of these EGO deals going on right now. There are a lot of great deals going on at this Lowe's Memorial Day sale. I did one for Home Depot, and I think Lowe's even has more and some of better deals as well. So we're going to check some of these out. This is another great set right here, your choice, whether you want the trimmer or the blower. And we see some EGO lawnmowers. Again, another option right here, the 21-inch self-propelled mower, $4.99. You get to save 50 bucks, so solid deal right there for that one. And then here, another option as well, $5.99. Get to save 100 bucks on that one. Then we also have the $8.99 mower here, the 22-inch. So you get a free trimmer or blower when you purchase this mower. So again, if you're going to go with the EGO, check that one out. Craftsman has some deals right here, 99 bucks right there on the trimmer and blower kit. Again, a great option for that one. Also a free trimmer or blower once you purchase this Craftsman mower for $3.29. We also see some of these right here, free item when you purchase this little combo kit right here. So again, a lot of deals going on, a lot of combo deals with Craftsman. Also have the Craftsman days going on right now. I'll show you a lot of those items. See some Roundup. Again, I don't use Roundup, but they have a lot of good deals on these. Had them at both Lowe's and Home Depot. They have some items right here for your yard. Limited time deal, $5. Pretty good option with that one. And then we also have the spray as well for killing some insects. Then we have the bug clear from Ortho. So again, another deal to take care of the bugs right there. Insect killer refill. Check that out. Then we also have $150 off of this moisture absorber, these damp rids. If you have like a shed, or maybe you have a garage or even a basement, these thermocells are game changers. 10 bucks off right there. Great pickup. We have some Scott's options, 32 bucks right there. And I will let you guys know, I will have a lot of these items listed down below, so if you're interested, you can definitely purchase those and help out the channel. And then we have some of these outdoor cleaners, different sizes, different prices for those. Then we get some grills. I think they had some good deals on some grills, 80 bucks off of this one. And again, this is the members. You can become a member just by going on their website. But pretty good option right there, $80 off of that one. I do like this little setup right here, the little outdoor eating area, kind of hangout setup. That looks really comfortable. I like those little lounge chairs, and a great setup for the pool or just hanging out outside. And then very similar to the Traegers at Home Depot, Lowe's has their Pit Boss here on sale, $3.99. I think this one has a few more features than the Traeger. Really cool option right here. I have a Pit Boss myself and I like it. It works really well, but I'm really eyeing this one right here for 400 bucks. Really great price for that. Then they also had the Greenworks 3-side electric pressure washer. So if you need one of these, pretty good deal on that one. Here's a couple of Memorial Day sales. Just want to show y'all some of these. We saw some charcoal. Get to save 2 bucks on that. Adirondack chairs. Get to save 5 on those. Probably a great pickup for 4th of July. I do like this 28-inch burner here for Blackstone. Save 50 bucks. That's a great one. And then also the combo kit. And we saw this as well. Just want to show y'all some of these. Again, just the Craftsman Day combos. You can see some of these, so if you need any of those, they had different sizes for these as well. Then we also have the trimmer here for $120, 17-inch weed whacker right there. They have the larger Blackstone of $429 for the 4-burner. This is the one I have, but this one has a few more bells and whistles. So again, a nice little setup right there. If you're going to be grilling a lot or using this a lot, you'll definitely like it. You save 70 bucks off of it. That's pretty nice. Then we have the Craftsman Lawnmower 350. Get to save you some off of that. I know it's cutting time, so if you guys need some type of lawnmower, definitely check some of these out. I'll show you a few more deals they had on different items. Have the gas pressure washer here, 3,100 psi, $300. Again, in the Craftsman. And then we also have another option for 3,400 psi, down to $399. So again, another solid deal right there with that one. And then while you're there, you can grab some of these paper towels, 18 bucks. Probably not a reason to go, but something great to grab while you're there. And even some toilet paper here, $3 off of that. Again, members only deal, so you have to grab one of those memberships. Then we see this charbroil down to $5.99. You get to save 50 bucks on that. So again, grilling season is upon us. I've been using mine a ton. So if you want to grab you a grill, check out some of these. Then another option right here for the Greenworks pressure washer, 2,100 down to $199. Again, solid deal for that one right there. Toro, $4.99 lawnmower here. Again, solid deal. So if you need one of those, go ahead and get you one and get the grass cut. And here is the char griller for $129. So get to save 70 bucks on that one. That is a great price right there. And then $279 here for the John Deere little tractor lawnmower option. This is a great deal for that one, especially if you want the ride-on. Check this one out. Then we also have a couple more options for the Ego. You can check some of these out. I know, again, a lot of us have to use the battery powered. You're not able to use the gas powered in some areas, so this is a great option. Ego is one of the best brands for the battery powered, so check some of these out, see if you like those. And then you also get a free Select Ego handheld outdoor power tool when you purchase one of these mowers. So again, great thing to check out right there. Here's the option when you purchase the mower. You can touch one of those. Again, I will try to show you every deal that I saw that was kind of going on for the Memorial Day stuff, and a couple other the clearance items that were there as well. A couple different Kobalt tools. Got a blower and a trimmer here as well. Pretty good deals on both of those. Great little pickup. And then also another leaf blower here, like we were talking about for Kobalt. So a couple different options with those. Whatever you might be interested in, you could save 20 bucks off that. And then another trimmer here, you'd save 20 bucks off right there. So pretty good deals on some of those. Here's another Craftsman deal. Get to save 20 bucks on this lawnmower. Solid setup right there. Definitely going to do a good job for that one. Then we see a Kobalt option right here for the push mower. Get to save 50 bucks right there for that one. I've never used a Kobalt lawnmower. If you have, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, or if you have grabbed any good deals during this Memorial Day sale, whether at Lowe's or Home Depot or anywhere. Another little deal right there for the riding lawnmower. Had some pellets on sale for 12 bucks for the large bag right here. Probably should have grabbed some. About to run out of my pellets for my Pit Boss. Had some lighter fluid here, 5 bucks for that one. Then a little different set. This is the combo for $279 for the string trimmer and the blower there for Ego. Then they have the Flex storage system on sale. Once you purchase more of these, you get to save more. So again, if you're going to be purchasing these and you really like Flex, whatever that might be, you can grab some of these and you get to save a little bit more the more you spend. Then they had one of these for the Craftsman. Get one select free tool when you buy some of these batteries. So you saw all the different tool options there, a bunch of different ones from, I mean, you can see little shop vac options and all different kind of stuff, ratcheting sets, jigsaws, and all that stuff as well when you buy the batteries. We have the mechanics tool set, 99 bucks there. Good deal on that one. Had the, again, little tool set here. I really like those, 20 bucks. Great thing to keep in your pack or in your car. Mechanics tool set, 70 bucks. And then we also have the little toolbox here for 38. Then we have the Nissan or the VersaStack for Craftsman, down to 99 bucks. We got a rolling toolbox for 70, and then also the three-piece tower for 150. So again, great deals on all of those. Stick vacuum, 150. Great thing to pick up there. And then we have some other smalls here for Craftsman little accessories. The 2-tool combo kit, $100 for that one right there. Definitely a great pickup. $250 value it says. Skillet has their little flip drill bit for $80. Bosch battery here with the purchase of a nailer or stapler. It's a great little pickup with Bosch. I think that might have been the only Bosch deal that I saw. More Kobalt deals. Free select tool when you buy a kit. $150 for that one. So if you need to grab you one of these, Kobalt's a solid brand. Definitely going to do a decent job for you there. Flex, right here, your choice, $99 for some of these tools. For choice, you can get another set here for $150. So again, a pretty good deal on both of those. The composite or the compact job site table, $329. Get to save $70 on that one. That's a pretty good deal, especially for DEWALT. They make pretty good blades and pretty good setup right there. So if you need the setup for work or whatever it might be, good deal on that one. We have the shop vacs. Always a great thing to grab. You'd save $10. Not a huge deal on that one, but decent. And then another one option here for $20 off of that one. $120 for DEWALT. Solid pickup. You got the select tools. Again, free select tool when you buy one of these drill or impact kits. So pretty good deal. If you're going to be buying that, might as well go ahead and get you the tool. And then also set up what we were talking about. Get us to buy one of these kits right here. So again, another great setup, another great deal, whatever you might be interested in. Then they had some clearance in some of their DEWALT tools right here. I like these. 4 tools for $250. See some of those. I like those except for the flashlight. Another setup right there, $349. And then the 6-tool combo kit for $479. So again, great deals on some of these if you need to pick those up. They have the 10-inch job site table saw for $549. So if you need one of those, again, DEWALT, solid option with that one. We have the Kobalt 6-gallon pancake air compressor, $200. You can see it right here, but it also comes with all of the nailers as well. I'll show you that here in just a second. So you got the whole little kit. You can see those right there, whichever one you might need. Got the 3 set, so it's really nice for that. But they have also Craftsman option for $100 right there next to it. Doesn't come with a set, just the compressor. And then they have the Craftsman 33-gallon portable electric air compressor. You'd save $100 right there. And then Metabo, free battery and charger pack when you buy a Bear tool. So when you get you a tool, you can also get you some batteries for it. That's kind of how that works. $399 for the compound miter saw. So again, if you need one of those, solid pickup. You get to save $200. Had some pretty good deals on some DEWALT saws recently, so a great pickup for that one. And then another one right here, $249. Solid pickup. Grab that and save you a little bit of money. And then they had a bunch of Kobalt tools. You can see some of these. Some of their ratchet sets, just different things like that. Some of them are like just set house. So all different types that you might be interested in. But you get to save some money off of these Kobalt sets. And again, Kobalt's Lowe's brand. So they're going to do a solid job for you. You can check out some of these. But again, on clearance, which is really nice. Go ahead and pick up some of those. You got the 230-piece down to 203. And a little bit other set right here, 267 and 126. So multiple different socket sets and other things like that that you could definitely grab and save you a little bit of money, which is really nice. Never know when you'll need some of those. And then I also want to show you the Kobalt had their case stacks on sale. You can see the more you spend, the more you get to save. So some of these are, again, solid deals, and you get to save some money on that as well, which is really nice. And then Craftsman had their impact driver down to $60, so you get to save a little bit on that one, but another solid pickup. But overall, I think there's some really good deals going on right now at your Lowe's Memorial Day sale. There are probably more deals going on here than there are at Home Depot, But let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, and like I said, I'll list some of these down there as well. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.